Hello, my name is Joshua Sands. I am the owner of Key City Locksmith and Security. For years, I have promoted my company as a premium brand, going above and beyond what most won't do. From our amazing team members who share the same premium values, to the selection of hardware that we choose that fits our preferred hardware program, we strive to go above industry standards. Today, we're implementing a new program in the KC Metro, a more simplified approach to our pricing while adding value to the service we provide you. With this new redesigned approach, we will be offering a more budget-friendly service while adding our restricted keyway to all the hardware you purchase through our company. This is not a limited time offer. By implementing this new program, that means more hardware will fall into our preferred hardware program, which gives you a 5-year hassle-free warranty. So if you're in the market for new locks for your home or business, please give us a call at 855-816-LOCK. That's 855-816-5625. From my family to yours, we're always here to help you secure your world.